Are you experiencing blisters on your tongue, or do you have redness on your palm and the sole of your toes? If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, then probably you should consult an allergy specialist and then, if recommended, get tested for COVID 19. You're watching TV9 News, and I'm your host Deepak. And today, let's talk about the three uncommon symptoms experienced by COVID 19 patients. Well, so far we've told you about the most common symptoms of COVID 19 like sore throat, loss of sense of smell, and even taste. But along with these symptoms, scientists have found three other new symptoms which could be early indicators of COVID 19. So, what are the three new warning signs of COVID 19? Well, according to a study conducted at Spain's Hospital Universitario La Paz in Madrid, scientists found that warning signs of COVID 19 can be detected on the tongue, hands, and also the feet of the patient. So, this research, which was carried out among 666 patients infected with COVID 19, found that 1 in 4 patients complained of swollen tongue, burning sensation on their palms, and also redness on the soles of their feet. So these patients reported serious infection inside the mouth, leading to the formation of white patches and also inflammation. And this condition has been commonly known as the COVID tongue by many scientists and also researchers, and is also associated with the loss of sense of taste, which is one of the most common symptoms of COVID 19. So, apart from that, 15% of the patients complained of burning sensation on their palm and also redness on their feet. So, now let's go over to an allergy specialist and find out what he thinks about this particular study. So, Dr. Sitesh Roy, firstly, tell us about what you think about this study.
This study is very interesting because back in September, from the dental organizations around the world, there was information coming in that the oral manifestations of COVID 19 can include ulcers in the mouth, gingival inflammation, petechiae, which is small bleeding spots, white and red patches in the mouth. And this study shows us that you can also have a swollen tongue, which may be a consequence of this ulceration that is occurring on the tongue. Sometimes there are no ulcers, but there are, as I said, these other manifestations. So it is a very interesting study which we know can occur in concurrence with the other known symptoms of COVID 19, which include loss of taste, loss of smell, fever, cough, body pain, fatigue, and several of the other symptoms that we know. The rashes on the palms and the soles of the feet, or the pain or burning that is felt, is a sign that this virus clearly affects our nervous system, and through the nervous system we get these symptoms. So very interesting data.
Also, doctor, white patches on the tongue can be mistaken for ulcers or vice versa. So, how do you differentiate between the two?
You bring up a very important point, Deepak, because getting ulcers in the mouth, something called aphthous ulcers, is something that some people suffer from chronically and get several times in the year. We really don't always know the cause for it, but we believe it may have to do with inflammation in their body or certain autoimmune processes. And hence, now having these ulcers in the mouth with white or red patches and swelling of the tongue, or a sensation of swelling on the tongue, really confuses the picture. What I would say is that studies have shown that these symptoms never occur in isolation. There's usually some cough, dry cough, fever, body pain, myalgia. There's some other signs that this may be COVID 19 that we are dealing with. So, in a situation where a person gets these symptoms, because they can appear in the first 24 hours and they can also appear up to a week or two into the illness, I would say that a high level of suspicion needs to be kept. They need to report to their physicians and try to get the best treatment possible.
Similarly, doctor, people who work really hard during the day often experience burning sensation on their palm and also redness on their sole. So, how can we draw a comparison between the two?
So, Deepak, you're right. In fact, people who have diabetes and develop something called diabetic neuropathy or peripheral neuropathy, which occurs in many other diseases, can give burning sensation on the hands and feet. It generally does not give reddish rashes. So, if these two things occur together, and as I said, if there are other physical manifestations of potential COVID 19, such as fever, body ache, myalgia, sore throat, headache, loss of sense of taste or smell, dry cough, breathlessness. I think we have to take it in the big clinical picture and recognize that this may be another manifestation of the disease. We also have to remember that there is something called the hand, foot, mouth disease, in which a person gets oral ulcers and gets sometimes blisters or rashes on their palms and feet. And this is generally seen in children and can be one of the manifestations of a viral infection called Coxsackie virus. And hence, yes, it will require a good amount of clinical awareness amongst the medical community as well as amongst patients to use this information so that they can seek medical care and undergo the COVID-19 testing when necessary.
Well, these symptoms are warning signs, and it means that you don't have to panic if you have ulcers or even redness on your sole or even burning sensation on your palm. All you have to do is take the necessary precaution and report even the smallest of signs to your family doctor and take their advice to decide whether you have to get tested for COVID-19 or not. Please do drop in your opinions in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital on various social media platforms. Many thanks for watching.